manam di tsarchik ndemba tsamchigi yang ngensong tamji pang. Tene sangjig manam di tsarchik ndemba tsamchigi yang ngensong tamji pang.
So for this reason, just reciting the prayer of good conduct once, one will be able to transcend the rebirth in lower realms.
Tene sangjig manam di la sangjig manam tsarchik ndemba tsamchigi yang chopong ngemba pang.
So just by reciting the prayer once, one will be able to avoid and discard evil friends, non-virtuous friends.
Then chopong ngemba sidu yang chik 가르쳐 그래. 다 남인 제중행 쪽부터서 인지를 돼 있네. 대서도 쪽봉 연주의 인지인사 말이죠. 즉 롱년도 다죽한다. 즉 뮤직도 연주한다. 대서 시다 쪽봉 득셔도 지 말고 대서.
So when we say evil friends or bad friends, it may not necessarily refer to those who make you get distracted, like taking you to the movies and so on. They are not really bad friends.
trouble dukshu te tongbanigi tondala katseina mimebazoken. Then trouble dukshu te penna tata metopema chigidendal metopema nishutsanga yore tinandre reshindo yantene sanjegi shinkam 문자 망보 여러 생각들 다서 다가 스케치를 생각했는데 망보 셰 된 대소는 고토면 조봉 햄버 대소래.
So the worst friend is the one who derails you from having this interest and devotion in the view of emptiness, and also makes you disbelieve in the concepts such as in one single lotus there are 25 lotus, and each of the lotus has infinite Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. So the one who makes you not believe in such kind of concept is the bad friend or the evil friend.
Tene kansa sangje menam dembegi jula tene na nawa thai reba mek shalyan jopon jeres.
So through the power of reciting the prayer of Bhadyacharya, the prayer of good conduct, one can see that, have a glimpse of Amitabha Buddha swiftly or very soon.
Tene sanje pado meba singin tiyang tayang kore teya samatayang tang mangbore.
So there's so many different ways of to think about or to approach the Buddha Amitaba.
Tene we pado meba singin di tujun nganzula tene sanje kundo marbo tene dire ba nim kansa niman nubi cholo yoresne de pada kedub raga ase lasobi sungjogi deshin shinkyo namla yore deso ta pemmasi yapotes.
Generally, when we say Amitabha Buddha, as stated in the prayers or the Sukhavati prayer written by Raga Asa, it's stated that Amitabha is red in color and he resides in the western direction.
Tene inayang sanje we padu meba nawa ta ye singdabu sik deso samjilla tene samma yabu tangwa ina 대양 양삼지 미치베긴네 루 최탐지 서빙 드바 대랑 땡겨 땡주.
So if we think deeply about Buddha Amitabha, the Buddha of limitless light, then this again actually essentially talks about the inconceivable nature.
이나양 tene sanje nama thai ki chen tsam yila chaya tang yang kundo marbo tang tene shinkam ki kweba yila cheba tsam chigi yang sanje tang chanchu semba tam chigi tukje tang menam la tene teso ki hachang ki penthawi waris.
So for this reason, just by remembering the name or the form or the color of Amitabha, through the power of the blessings and the aspirations of Buddhas and Bodhisattvas, one can actually fulfill the wish.
Tene zanje malam dembi ki jumsenji nyeba lekar nye sidukana tobya yakbo dinde tobgere sonje.
So through the power, it is said in the prayer that through reciting the prayer, one can get the good things, the desirable things one wish for.
다 tobya yakbo songyate so tekba chembeki givishin da shaljalya.
So when we say, getting the good things, refer to encountering the Mahayana, qualified Mahayana teacher.
Tene tekba chembeki chöla mebatang gaboyonkengi drawdang nyen dindedang nyamdo te.
And to encounter or meet friends who have devotion and interest in the Mahayana teachings.
Tene tekba chembodang tena tredaldang dindele judo chekigi mitisogi kolayas kansa hako.
And to meet with the people who really make effort to know about the beings who explain the view of Shunyata and so on.
Pena ngajudajina gombolludu singdebuteso the misindinal gonyong yoro pe masigi tene kansa sonam yebeki tares.
For instance, we have heard about Nagarjuna who explains Shunyata, and it is the result of having great merit that we have accumulated in the past life.
Shivala singdinde gonyong yore de mitsebi 쫀juk singdinde jik pesachik dinde yebaya hago pesachik yeba hago watamji mai batesol yang tesomda tses che tesope masigi nyeba leba nyebares.
So we have also heard about Shantideva, his text Bodhisattva Avatara. Not only that, we have also received teachings and heard the teachings. So this amounts to getting the desirable things or the good things.
Tene tanti tishesh tene chagosre kansa zambachebigi dembigi jumsenji tene kansa lej driba jangres tinanga chambres.
It is said in the prayer that through reciting the prayer of good conduct, one will be able to purify the karmic defilements. So this is very important.
Karesana digba jangya tang digba jangya singin tes dragos karesan ko dugjaji ba kogoro ta.
The reason is that it seems easier to understand the concept of purifying the negative the defilements of negative actions.
Tene lej diba singin tes kalkhabo yor.
But it is difficult, slightly difficult to understand the obscuration or the defilement of karma, the karmic defilements. The reason is that we benefit from the karma or the action. So one does not attain nirvana or liberation until we purify the karma completely or perfectly. The karmic defilement seems to be like shoes, because it benefits us, we can wear it, but sometimes when we take shower and so on, then we need to take off those. So we can't wear shoes while taking shower.
Tene ledip di pangya yang kalakabo yasar pe damito pe ki sherap tang yishirang tendrik ledip thabo deso tendrik nyamba tende pang nama pang mithuya tende.
So it seems extremely difficult to abandon or discard the karmic defilements, the defilements of actions So they can only be purified
Then
by applying the antidote of the non-dual wisdom and so on.